Welcome to another week here at Ko-osh. It is Tuesday and Hurricane Ian is on his way. On Sunday, we booked the Wilderness Lodge for Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night. Chewy's at work right now. He'll work until like 2 o'clock unless they close early. As of 3 o'clock this afternoon, it's now 4:30, Disney and Universal both have closed their parks for Wednesday and Thursday. Understandably so. So we booked Wilderness Lodge mostly for a couple reasons. Chewy needs a CPAP to sleep. My medication is like $18,000 and has to stay refrigerated. And this apartment complex was built the year after Hurricane Irma. So I don't know how it'll be with the power going out. That is just a big fear of mine. If we could somehow read the future and know that it was only going to be like for 12 hours or something, I might consider writing it out. But I can't have the medication go days and days. We just don't know. I know in this complex though, even on regular days, we've lost power for a couple hours, so I didn't want to risk it. We pulled the table in from the wall. I'm going to shut the blinds. There's the chairs. Everything's in from the patio. I'm also going to unplug everything here and wrap the cords and the computer in heavy trash bags. And there's the cushions down there on the floor. And Chewy and I laid out our clothes. I just have to pack them. I've already packed our food to take with us to Wilderness Lodge. We're going to be self-sufficient. This is medications, and Chewy needs distilled water for his CPAP, that kind of stuff. All of our electronic charging things. I've got the freezer. Let me show you that. I've been making, I'm gonna have to get rid of that ice cream. There's blocks and blocks of ice back there, lots of ice there. I even someone recommended making a glass filled with water, freeze it, put a quarter on top, and if you come home, you know that your freezer was out of water. So, I mean, without power. So we have a lot of, all of this stuff is going to be used for my Humera. There's a whole bunch of it down there too. There's not going to be a whole lot left down here. I'm going to take most of the yogurts to eat at Wilderness Lodge. The milk is an unopened box milk, so that'll be fine. Some of the jelly and the mayonnaise we're going to take to make tuna. There's not much milk left down there. Like I said, we've been eating up most of it. I'll take the apples down there. So we're as ready as we can be. You can already see outside. Bands from Ian have already started up and over. Let me get outside. It's very quiet. We'll bring this in tonight when Chewy comes home from work. Andy likes to chew on it, which is what has caused all that damage. But yeah, there's the outer bands. We're looking north. There's still some people who have not pulled things in off of their patios. Oh, the people up there finally did. The top apartment up there has a lot of stuff. There's an apartment down here on this corner that has huge pieces of gym equipment. I don't know quite what they're gonna do. This always floods during a bad rain. I mean, granted, this drop is pretty big, but I worry for the people in the ground floor apartment if it goes up and over, because we're expected to get over a foot of rain. This is very different than Hurricane Irma. Irma was fast. Yes, the eye went right over us, but this is a whole different beast. We'll do the best that we can. So yep, we swept, not that that matters, but yeah. And again, I'll shut all the, well, I don't know, the plant needs a little bit of light, but I've read to shut the blinds so that if the glass does shatter, I'm sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. It won't bust in, but to be honest, I'm sure, well, the office is closed. I can't call them. Of course, the Weather Channel has been on all day for the last 4 days. Yeah, I wasn't able to ask them, but I'm pretty sure it's all hurricane thing. That's for my Humera. We have another cooler that'll load all the food. We got a flashlight. Our medication is in there. Paper towels, again, we're going to be self-sufficient. We opted out of housekeeping. I'm even taking a dustpan and a little broom. We're going to put Andy's litter box in the bathroom, and I will clean everything up before we leave. Just gotta hope for the best. So that's how prep's going, and I'll be back a little bit later. All right, it's 2 a.m. Chewy's finally home. We're almost done. And I keep telling Andy, he doesn't seem, where did he go? He was right here. He doesn't seem to understand how excited he should be because he's going to Disney World for the first time. It's your first trip to Disney World, Andy. Yeah, he doesn't care. All right, all we got to do is the food, and then off we go.
Your medicine?
Well, it's a little before 3 a.m. We came in and got a cart. Chewy's parking the car. I asked the front desk guy, I was like, I was busy tonight, huh? He said, yeah, it didn't quiet down till 2 a.m. And look who it is. It's his very first trip. It's his very first trip to Disney World. Yay, Andy. So that's all of our stuff. That's his litter box. Food and medicine. And there's Chewy. You ready? Okay. We made it. Andy is not happy. He's crying a lot. So,
Hey.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, buddy. It's okay. Hi, say hi to everybody. I know, you don't know what the heck's going on. Hello, pretty thing. Yeah, we even got a king room, non-connecting. Awesome. What you doing? Oh, you're so pretty. The bathroom is Andy's little spot, and there's his litter box. And we have his dry food. He'll get his wet food in the morning. Did you put his wet food in the... Okay. I'm very hot. No, I'm just... I was so cold. It was at 66 degrees and I'm freezing. So I put it where we normally set it at home. Yeah, so... All right. You ready to go to bed? Are you going to brush your teeth or anything? Okay. It's now like 3:30. Well, this is our room when you walk out to overlook the lobby. No. Oh, and there they are. The flag was blocking. Look, it's the Country Bear Jamboree guys. There they go. Goodbye. Okay, everybody's got all the good chairs. There was our room when we were here, right? Right there. When we were here at concierge level. I'm just gonna go stretch our legs a little bit. We are waiting to have lunch at Whispering Canyon. Even though we brought food, Chewy wanted to come down here. I think it'll be better once we get like I only had yogurts yesterday because I had a lot of anxiety leading up to getting here. But look, Chewy got us chairs in front of the fireplace. And our room is right up there. Are you moving? Oh, we got a seat in the front row, and watch, they'll call us for lunch. I love this grate. Did you see this? Sure doesn't give off much heat though, does it? I'm still cold. I left my jacket at home all day long. I was like, get your jacket. You know how cold it is in the lobby. Oh well. And I forgot the mayonnaise. Yeah, but you know, of course, everything in the refrigerator is probably gonna have to get thrown out. There's Whispering Canyon. Way up there at the top is the club lounge. I want cobbler.
You want cobbler?
I want cobbler from the, well, it's only upstairs.
Oh. Yes.
Look, it's Big Al.
No, I got it.
There's Big Al again. He's signing autographs. He's having a good time. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, somebody just walked in front of me. There it is, a little droid down there, and the bear's playing hide and seek with it. I love liver lips. I asked him earlier, he came right up over here and stuck his head over the railing. And I asked him if he was enjoying taking a break from doing the show. And he indicated yes. I've got green tea. Chewy's got some coffee. And somebody just ordered ketchup. I'm gonna try to make this quick because my battery is dying and I didn't bring one down with me. I got something from the kids menu because they're out of turkey. If you heard in a previous vlog at Steakhouse 71, They're going to be taking off the turkey club off the menu because there is a turkey shortage. So anyway, long story short, I ordered the turkey sandwich here and he said they didn't have it. So I got the chicken tenders and I get 2 sides, and he's letting me get the biscuit to try because I miss their original biscuits. I love them so much. And I love bacon, but I do not buy it and make it at home. It's only a I'm at a restaurant thing. So this is what we got so far. Oh, I didn't realize I got fries with it too. Holy cannoli. Is there, oh no, I'm gonna have to ask for ketchup. That's embarrassing. And Chewy got the carnivore. Can you turn it a little? Look at all that meat. Well, that meal was a little disappointing. They're already running out of things. Our server told us that there was a big delivery this morning and they thought it was more food, but it was just sandbags. So, I don't know, but I ordered the turkey sandwiches. As I said, they didn't have it. The chicken, I got the kids' meal. It was chicken tenders. It was okay, but they didn't give Chewy his cornbread, which was fine. He didn't need to eat it, but I came back to the room and there was water all over the floor and I panicked. I'm like, what's leaking? And then I realized they came in and put the chairs over here and I'm like, oh my God, did Andy get out? And I couldn't find the cat, but I finally found him. He's still not a very happy camper. I don't know, he's under the bed somewhere, but he's not happy. He is not happy at all. Are you down there, buddy? The only thing I'm really worried about are the tornadoes. I don't know if like the roof's gonna come off our apartment building. That would be a drag. And I'm a little concerned how long we'll be without power because we can't just keep staying here, much as we like to. I hope everyone's staying safe. There he is. It's 1:30. There's a little bit of a lull in the rain. A little windy. Nothing I haven't seen before, but yeah. So Chewy stopped down at Roaring Fork to mainly get mayonnaise packets, which the server suggested since we forgot the mayonnaise to make tuna salad. And then he came back with a big bag and I'm like, what did you get? You aren't supposed to eat that though, Poppy Teal. But I got a magic bar. Oh my God. I love these things so much. They make life worth living. Magic bars. And did you get some soda? For snacks. And we found out that they will refreeze my medical ice packs that are like sealed. Yeah, so. All right, now we just sit and wait.
Just like a spider.
Just like a spider. It's 2:30. Got some decent rain, but boy, we're watching the Weather Channel and this is not looking good. This is not looking good. There's cars floating down streets in Naples. And this guy won't sit down and rest. He's just constantly smelling stuff. Go ahead, you can jump. Jump. They brought us a flashlight too. We have a bigger one though. I brought our big one. This is our little makeshift trash can. I brought the big one. You never know. This is just bad. It is now 6:15. It doesn't look like it, but the trees are blowing. Look how fast the clouds are going. Chewy and I took naps because I only slept about 4 hours last night. I know, Andy, I'll feed you dinner in just a minute. And train of thought. Oh, while we were asleep, a tornado warning was issued for the area. The footage we're seeing is just horrendous. Winter Park is without power, and they were showing, not specifically, but they had the camera at an angle not to capture people doing this wrong, but when power goes out and traffic lights are no longer working, legally what happens is they become a four-way stop. And people were just barreling through the intersection on like the main part of the road at like, what do you think? They were going like 40 miles an hour, right? Yeah. So learn your road rules. Thank you. I'm like, I've got such brain fog. Let's just, I wish this thing was going faster. 8 miles an hour is not good. 8 miles an hour. So Magic Kingdom is right over that way. I saw on our subsonic radio site that our friend Wayne just posted that Disney has removed the ability to make a park pass for any of the parks on Friday, which I had a feeling was going to happen. Well, it's going to be too dark. In like 2 hours, it'll be too dark for us to even show you anything outside. But we'll see what the morning brings. Chewy's eating some sort of crunchy chip thing. I bet he's got his ruffles. Well, this little guy has spent most of the 13, 14, 15, 16 hours we've been here, just walking around the room, pacing. He hears every little noise from the hallway and from the lobby, and he goes into high alert, and he thinks they're going to come in the room, because earlier when we went quickly downstairs to eat, maintenance came in to move the chairs from the balcony, and that probably made him think that someone's going to come in. Anyway, this is the first time. Well, are you going to settle? I think you need to take a nap. You have not napped. You have not slept. There we go. Finally. He's a resting kitty. All right, let's hunker down. All right, here's the 7 o'clock update. This is about as bad as the wind was during Hurricane Irma. And we have yet to see the strongest stuff come through. Okay, so we've had enough of watching hurricane news because it's just going to be more the same. It's 7:30 and we're going through the channels and oh my gosh, the Yankees! Okay, I'm sorry if I screamed that a little too loud. Yay! I don't know, I would have thought there was more people down here based on how loud it was. It smells good. From we are right above Whispering Canyon. Lots of people doing puzzles, playing games. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, there's no line at the front desk. And there's seats in front of the fireplace. It is now 8:20. It is time for dinner. Peanut butter and jelly. We're having a little replay of Hurricane Irma, but sadly, the stations like this are all going in and out. We're getting local stations still. It is 9:20. The lobby has definitely calmed down and cleared out. There was a lot of people playing board games. I think I showed you before, but we're in that room right there. I lost my husband, so we just put my medication with Bell Services. They have a freezer and a refrigerator, so we put our ice packs that my medication comes in. That's going into the freezer, and that fridge in the room isn't doing that great of a job, so we put my medication in the refrigerator down here. I don't know where he went. Let's go find him. See what's happening in the gift shop. I gotta keep talking because of the music. This is always hard with the gift shops because I get like copyright, copyright. I want one of these one day. But I only want it in monorail. I guess I could paint it. Wouldn't be the same. Wouldn't be the same. Oh, look, you can get a castle. Well, I don't see him in here. Oh, there he is. Sorry. These are cute mugs. What you looking for, Papi Chulo? Oh, that's nice. You love Wilderness Lodge. Look, these are really cute. I have no idea what the price is. She was pointing out the black plate there. I don't mind the plates. The bowls have too many Mickeys on them, even though it is black on black. But I like the whole window with the nature scene. Very cute. Aww. All right, back up to the room. Oh yeah, and Judge just hit his 61st home run. See ya.
Ty Origin Mothers.
There's his mom. He finally fell asleep. Poor guy's been up for 19 hours. Oh, I love him so much. Aww. Of course, he's laying right where I need to sleep. It's now Thursday morning at 8:30. We both slept through the night. You can hear the wind. As of yet, I have not received a notice from Duke Energy that we had a loss of power at the apartment. So that's really good, but the storm ended up traveling much further south of here than expected. Though I have already seen some footage on Twitter of some serious flooding in Kissimmee. So we'll be here another day, and unless something significantly changes, we'll be going home tomorrow morning. I've got bedhead. I took a shower right before I went to sleep and went to bed. Oh, wet hair. So yeah, fingers crossed. I have one friend. It's over sort of by Gatorland. They never lost power, though their swimming pool is overflowing with water. A friend of mine who lives behind Magic Kingdom had about 5 cups of water leak through a seam above his kitchen, and they have damp carpeting under their stairs. That's all I've heard from them so far. I guess at some point we'll turn on the news and watch everything. What they're saying. I like the sound of the wind going through the trees, actually. Oh yay, Andy. What are you doing? He just won't lay down. He just like paces everywhere constantly. He constantly goes to the front door. Well, the only door. Well, no, we have a balcony door. Excuse me. What is up with you? Chico? Huh? Whoop, hello. Why don't you just settle down and take a little nap? Hmm?
I guess they're doing a little bit like a Halloween Horror Nights because they're all dressed up, and then you have the bears over there dancing with the Hawaiian things. I don't know how to call them, but they're cute, and everybody's making a line, dressed up like the Minions. We have a doggy here.
It is 4:30 and people have already started to queue up for Whispering Canyon. Again, during the daytime hours, lots of action going on. People are tired of being in their room. This is the first we've been out today. I hope we can get back here. There's a Halloween costume going on. Well, here's what they did. Oh, they're having a movie. They're having a movie at Artist Point tonight.
What kind?
The live action Beauty and the Beast. There's the first real look at outside, just a lot of debris.
So here we are. She wants me to talk. I'm not a type of person who likes to talk, but that lovely lady there, she said talk. So now I'm talking. I don't know what I'm talking, but I'm talking. It's cold in here. Alright. Gotta stop now because can't talk too much.
People keep requesting him to talk more. He won't do it. That's why you're always stuck with me yapping my mouth.
Look at that little owl over there.
I have a friend that is redecorating his home to his favorite Disney resort, which is here. So I've been asked to take loads and loads of detailed photos. So I'm on it, Dave.
Again, she asked me to film.
Look at this, so many different activities, right?
So I'm filming. Again. A waterfall.
Snowbird and Summerworks.
Alright, our first look outside. It's not too bad. Look how they tied all the lamps up against the pool. Still stay inside, so we're not walking around.
But we can. But look at the ground. It's all full of.
Well,
Oh, those are the things from the tape from the trees. That called moss or whatever that call is. It's a lot of clean to do. The pool looks fine, but there's a lot of moss on the where the chairs goes. And it's chilly today.
Oh, it's only 68 degrees. I'm gonna go to my
It's a lot of Spanish moss everywhere. And look at the floor. It's everywhere. Everywhere. Yeah, look at this. It's all Spanish moss all over the floor. She's back there. She's coming. She's waving. Yeah, it's from those trees. Oh, that thing is all of this. Ew. Look at this. Look at that tree. It's covered completely. That plant, not tree, plant. With all of these things. Look, they tied the garbage cans so they don't flew up with plastic wrap, which is pretty strong, to be honest, the plastic wrap. Geyser is closed. Same thing with our restaurant back there. Geyser Point is closed. It's not even water coming up. It's gonna be a lot of cleaning for tomorrow. Yeah, no water. It's all dry out. Yeah, look at this. It's just plants flying around everywhere. It's going to be a lot of cleaning.
This is the best thing about Wilderness Lodge. Magic bars.
Okay.
Chewy had a cranberry muffin. That's all that's left of it. How you doing, Poppy?
I'm doing good. How about
You bored yet? I've got a Harry Potter book you can read.
this sleepy beauty fall asleep? Look at her.
Someone is very, very tired.
Mute.
Someone is very, very tired. He's been like this all afternoon. But I'm trapped. I want to get up. Help me, help me, help me. We spent the night watching the football game for the Bengals and Miami Dolphins. I was going to go over and sit at the fireplace, but there's people over there. I like they have these tables down here with the really pretty lamps on them. We've stayed in this room, but up on the 6th floor. It was a nice room. So yeah, they have these tables here. You can set up your computer and work. Look at that. There you go. There's a cool light fixture. It's much more orange in real life. I like all these little windows out to the outside. There's a balcony. I don't know if you can go out there though. You know, I've never tried to go. I don't think there's a door. Nope, just a window. There must be a way to get out there, though. Interesting. Oh yeah, look, you can, but it's locked. Oh, that's a big balcony. Look at that. Here's the stairs goes down to the main lobby. He's vacuuming the restaurant. So pretty here. We booked this for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, just in case one of our neighbors had a New Year's Eve party, because often Chewy has to get up and work early on New Year's Day. Good morning, it is Friday. It's about 7:30. We're almost packed up. Chewy went down to get my medicine and bring up a cart. We're not quite sure what the road closures may be between here and home, so we'll see. But he's gonna have to leave around between 11 and 12 to get to work at 1. He's not sure, again, what kind of road closures there may be. All is peaceful here this morning. You can see pieces of blue sky breaking through. I've read they're going to start opening the parks for resort guests, and then 2-hour delay will be general public. So we'll see, but yeah, looks pretty good. As you saw yesterday, there was a lot of down debris. I hear a Disney boat. I hear a Disney boat. There's Chewy with the cart. I guess he's waiting for the medicine. Nice cushy seats all around. Typically, you could lay in the rooms along the hallway where we are until midnight and hear this music as you drifted off to sleep. That's going to be it for our 3-night stay here at Wilderness Lodge during Hurricane Ian. They took good care of us. The most important thing was that my medicine was safe. So we're going to see how we're going to get home. Not sure what the road closures are going to be like. But thanks for watching this week.
Bye.
We'll see you later.
Take care.
Ko-osh.